So, Obama's immigration policies for the future. Like I said in one of my last videos, I was on a topic and just about the wonderful things that are happening in my life and what I'm grateful for. But let's get off that topic and let's get on this topic that I'm pretty upset about right now. That's probably gonna even further us off this fiscal cliff that I warned you about. It's probably going to be worse than the Great Depression, and we'll probably never get out of it. That's what it's looking to me. You know, I'm no professional, financial professional, big shot, hot shot god like down on Wall Street. But I'm going to tell you straight up right now, this immigration thing is going to put us in a crapper. It really is, because America was built off Europe, it was built off Russia, it was built off China, it was built off people from other countries. People from other countries said, look, you know, this America is so freaking sweet, man. We could do a lot with this America. Look at all the possibilities we could do with this America. You know, our founding fathers, that's the way they looked at it. They said, geez, we should have diversity in America. We should promote diversity, and you want to come here and build a business with us? Well, hey, yeah, man, heck yeah, man, get over here and help us. You know, I'm not saying and have everybody in the world come here to America. No, I'm gonna say what Mitt Romney said. Bring the best and brightest over here so that they could help us. If you're not going to help us, well then, go, you know? Go. You're not welcome here if you're just going to come here and use us for whatever reason, you know? I mean, but if you're gonna come here and help us out and create jobs and more opportunities for us, for the American people, yeah, get them over here. America was built on diversity. That's what it was built upon. So this whole immigration thing and this whole we're losing money because all these immigrants are coming over to our country, that's hogwash. Because that's what that's what we were built on, you know. And the biggest thing now I see in these our cities like Pittsburgh, Cleveland, cities that were big, Philadelphia, Cincinnati, just all the American cities have lost almost half of their population. You look at Cleveland, and it was one of the biggest cities in the United States, and look at it now, it's lost nearly 75% of its population. So that's what we need to focus on mainly, is the people. You know, the people, that's what makes our cities go, is people, people, people. You know, if you have a city with all this infrastructure and no people, then what's the point of that? So what I'd say is bring more people from other countries to this country, because that's what makes America run, and that's what makes America awesome. So go America.